Hi guys, welcome to Everything Tina, and for today's video I'm going to be doing this monkey app. I watched a heck of people do this monkey app and I just want to do it, give it a try out and everything else. So I'm going to have people rate me 1 to 10 on here, so let's see how it goes. Like, I'm kind of nervous because, you know, people be gassing sometime on here and I see it. So it's okay, because if they gas me, I'm sure going to gas them back, so be prepared for everything, Tina. Okay, so I'm gonna be screen record right now. Press my screen record. Okay, it's recording. Oh my god. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Hello.
Yo, what's up?
What's up? How are you?
Good, you?
Good. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Oh yeah. I'll make you 9.
9? Thank you so much. Oh my god, I got a 9. Of course I'm a 9. Of course I'm a dime. Like, what? I'm more than 1,000. So I'm so conceited. Stop. Let me stop. Hello.
How you doing?
What's up? How are you?
Exercise. You want exercise?
It won't let me. Okay. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
I can. I break my scale.
Huh?
What if you broke my scale?
Oh, thank you.
Click and follow, but follow me that. I only know how to work.
Okay, I'll follow you because you cool for that one. You cool.
I only know how to work this motherfucker. Rate me 1 through 10. I'm waiting.
To 10? Oh, okay. You are,
You ain't even gotta lie.
no, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. You 3.
Oh.
I'm so fucked up. I'm so hecka messed up. But he was a 3. He got a unibrow and everything. You not that cute. You look dusty. But thank you for the scale, honey. I broke the scale. I know. Hello.
Yo.
Hey. How are you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm from Modesto. Where you from?
Oh.
Boy, didn't me add time. The fuck? Why you do that? I was gonna ask him rate me 1 to 10. Hello. Yeah. What, boy? With your dark-headed ass, boy, bye. Oh my god, excuse my language. Like, who the you talking to? Talking to a queen. Hello. Dang, it's hecka smoky up in there. What the heck? Y'all smoking up y'all lungs. Damn. What the heck? Literally smoke it in the room. Gas. Like, that's a lot of smoke. I would be sick up in there. Hello.
What's that?
What's good? Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Huh? I'll be whatever. I'm not putting far.
A 5? 9.5?
Yeah, 9.5.
Thank you. Hey, better than nothing. 9.5. Yeah, but I'm a 9 though. I'm a 10. So yeah, I've been that. So I don't stop that. Hello. Hello. Can you talk? Or why you on here? Cause I don't see why, honey. You should get off. Probably do not, huh? That's so nasty. I hate when guys, I don't know what guys are doing because, excuse me, that's my dog. He's drinking some water right now. He's very thirsty, so don't mind him. He going at it. Hello. What's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
You
Wow, you like, boy, answer the question. You're just gonna like, I just hate when guys do that. Like, don't you hate when guys? Hi, how are you? What's that face? Why you gotta make that? You're like, boy, smile, smile, like smile. You're like, hey, like that face he was making, like, give me that ugly look, and I know I'm not ugly, so you need to get out of here. Hello, what's up? How are you? Chilling. Okay. You in the dark, chilling. I don't know what he just said right now. Whatever he just said, I don't get it. I don't care. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, thank you. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
You got a little 8, a little 9.
Okay, okay, thank you. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay, why the like? No offense, but I only get black eyes on my sub. Like, where's all the fine dudes? Like, no offense, babe, but where's all the freaking cute guys? Cause all I'm seeing is some black crusty guys. No offense, but I don't like. Where's the race in here? Where's the mix? Hello,
What's up, baby girl?
what's up? How are you?
I'm good. Where you from?
At time.
Tell me
Can you
from.
write me? I'm from Modesto.
Well, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can you write me one to, huh?
I think you're the first person I met from there.
What, for real, for real? That's cool.
Hell yeah.
Well, can you rate me 1 to 10?
Look, you know damn well you over 15. You shouldn't even ask me that shit. You smell your makeup, teeth, like, okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna follow you back. You know you're on my YouTube.
That's cool, that's cool.
Yes. So if you wanna
I'll
stay,
subscribe to you. What's up? What's your YouTube?
huh?
I said I'll subscribe to you. What's your YouTube?
Okay. It's everything Tina.
Everything, Tina?
Yes. So make sure you go on there because you're gonna be on there.
Got you. That's cool, that's cool.
Yes. Bye.
I see.
He was cool. Like, can I get guys like that all the time? Not no meanies, like, or not no body that don't show their freaking face. Cause half of these dudes don't be showing their face. I know it's like 11 something, but like, if you ain't this, don't be on here. Then, like, why you even on here? Like, dude. Hi.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? How's your night going?
Yeah, we from
Modesto. Where you guys from?
this city.
Oh God, fuck it. I can't even get through the rate me 1 to 10 because they always talk about where you from and stuff like that. I'm so sorry. Like,
Hey, bro, you fine and full, bro. Stop playing.
stop playing. I know, right? Like,
Hey, I'm fine with your dog face looking at, baby. Fine.
okay. But dang, I don't even have to tell them to rate me 1 to 10. Yo, they already know what's up. What y'all doing?
Huh?
What y'all doing?
Where you from?
I'm from Modesto.
You from Modesto?
I'm from Modesto.
Oh. What is it?
In California.
Oh, shit. I'm from Los Angeles.
Okay. You know you're on my YouTube.
I bet. Hey, I'm gonna say like this. Add me as a friend. I'm hit you up every now and then. I'm gonna come link up with you.
Not that, honey. No. Thank you for the comments and the positivity, but no. Not me. What's up? How are you?
Well, with the deal,
What the deal? What the
what you
deal?
on, folks?
Nothing. Wish you on fold, but you ain't want no time though. Like, boy, excuse my dog. He's being a little whiner, but you see. Hello.
Hello. Hey, girl.
Hey, what you
What's up, girl?
doing? Can I get rate me 1 to 10? Oh my god. What's up?
What's up?
What's your face? What's your face? Oh my god, are you freaking kidding me? Like, this monkey app is getting so annoying because they can never show their face. Like, if you are not showing your face, why are you even on here? Like, why? Like, I don't get it. Like, guys are really too scary and they should be a man. They act like a little kid. Hello.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. You trying to ask something? Hey, ask something.
I went back to my homepage. Oh my god. This is why I don't like adding time either, because I just want them to rate me 1 to 10, a quickie. Like, rate me 1 to 10. Like, I don't have time for all this. I'm gonna be hardcore. I'm gonna be like, rate me 1 to 10. If you don't, I don't care. Hello.
What's up? What's
She
good?
rate me 1 to 10.
No, are we in a YouTube?
Yeah, you're on a YouTube video.
Alright, rate us. Alright, 10. No, that's 10, that's 10. Alright, rate us and we'll rate y'all. I promise.
Okay. No, you have to rate me because girls go first. I told you to rate me.
Yeah, I'll rate you. I'll rate you.
No, rate me because I told you to rate me.
I have high standards.
You have high standards? Oh, well, same here. I have high standards too. So, what makes you think I don't have high standards?
No, you're not. I was even gonna say a low number.
Okay. That's cool. Thank you.
Ain't no 10s in the world. Just put that
Oh,
out there.
no, there is 10s in a row, honey. Best believe that. Everybody's a 10 in my book. Everybody's a 10. So,
There's always
period.
room for improvement. There's always room for improvement. That's what I'm trying to say.
Everybody's a 10.
Alright, go ahead, Luke. Go ahead, bro.
Everybody's a 10.
So rate me and I'll rate you. Nigga, you gotta say yourself first, bro. I promise.
Just told you were 10.
I'm a 10?
Yeah, everybody's a 10 in my book. That's how it works for me.
That's not the way it works.
Like, boy, Jack just said everybody's a 10 in my book. Did you not hear me just said that? No, like, boy, who you calling, like, no. Everybody's a 10. I'm not that mean.
Rate me 1 to 10. I'm waiting.
To 10? Oh, okay. You are,
You ain't even gotta lie.
no, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. You 3.
Oh.
I'm so hecka messed up. But he was a 3. He got a unibrow and everything. You not that cute. You look dusty. But thank you for the scale, honey. Like, I'm not mean. It's full.
Oh, yo.
Hello. Hi.
You look like your daddy spent $40,000 on you, yo. You look like.
Oh my god, you cool. He's on my foot. This guy right here, he said like your dad's been like, man, I wish, That's cool. He cool with his big old head, big old little forehead. He got a big old dome, but he cool. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this. yeah, I had fun doing this monkey app. It was cool, you know. I would definitely do it again. And so, yeah, stay tuned and keep watching for the next one. Bye.